So this is our lean project. Our focus was electrical equipment manufacturing. My name is John Cashel.
Hello, my name is Urvish.
Hi, I'm Aditya Kakne.
And I'm Prakhyath Kaustav.
So the electrical equipment manufacturing industry covers a wide range of different products and services for a lot of different niche markets. Supply, transmission, and delivery of energy, so equipment for that, for like utility companies, electric vehicle chargers, photovoltaic systems, heat pumps, lighting fixtures. There's a lot of different products that are encompassed within this industry. So they service a lot of different markets. The projected market value is projected to reach over $2 trillion at 6.2 CAGR by 2030. Some big players within the industry include Schneider, Honeywell, Eaton, big companies that have been around for a long time that have a wide range of products that they offer. Some key global trends that have been driving and diminishing the growth of the industry with over the last 10 years or so include a drive for bigger drive for renewable energy, larger integrations of automation and controls within buildings, so software integration and digitization of equipment, infrastructure expansion and modernization, energy efficiency projects are always relevant. People are always looking to save money on energy and have more efficient equipment, electric vehicles, and some things making growth difficult have been uncertain demand in the market and supply chain instability, which manifested itself heavily within COVID.
Thanks for that, John. Coming to the main challenges in the past, the electrical equipment manufacturing industry has been a fairly bullish industry, but in the last 10 years, these are the major pain points we observed. Firstly, safety and quality issues that might arise with the lack of standardization or regular testing may pose major issues to workers and users alike. Secondly, accepting cleaner energy and operating sustainably to go green and reduce their carbon footprint. This serves to their responsibility towards the environment. And thirdly, managing supply chains and inducing smart digital solutions while trying to mitigate risks, which maximize productivity overall. Addressing these, the goals we came up with are reduction in lead times by identifying a product or process map and standardizing it. And this goes hand in hand with the techniques like just-in-time, which fall under inventory management, bringing order to this chaos. Next slide. Okay. One of the most popular and greatest implementations of lean principles has to be the 5S rule. Its five-pronged approach to obtaining perfection is effective and has resulted in some obvious ways listed. And other areas like organization at workstations, better training, regular audits, etc. I mean, basically improved overall throughput. Next slide. As we know, lean is in a great place today, but we always have to look forward. I mean, isn't that lean thinking? Current challenges include the need to reduce, need to address their sustainability and governance issues. Secondly, we also have to pay respect to the fact that all industries are transitioning into a cleaner and greener energy environment. And this has also forced electrical industry to switch to a more renewable energy for production and maintenance. And as processes and technologies advance, safety and regulatory compliance becomes a balancing act. Overall, lean principles can be crucial to achieve these goals while still being relevant and competitive. Next slide.
So the company we focused on in part two is Light Efficient Design, which includes their acquisition of Remphos. So the main products that Light Efficient Design offers are lighting fixtures and retrofits, as well as EV charging stations. The company was founded in 2008 with 3 employees, and they've grown to 55 full-time employees currently. They acquired Remphos Technologies in 2018. Some main competitors within the industry are Acuity Brands, which manufacture a lot of different lighting fixtures and retrofit products, along with Cooper, who similarly manufacture lighting products, and then ChargePoint, who are a big manufacturer of EV charging stations. Some big drivers of growth for them have been improved manufacturing capabilities via their expansion and acquisition of Remphos, an expanded product range of lighting retrofit solutions to stay flexible and competitive in the market space that can often be oversaturated, and an increased demand for energy efficiency projects, as well as a growing electric vehicle market, have all helped them grow over the past 10 years.
Okay, so let's start by taking a look at the current state. One of the key problems that they are encountering at Lighting Efficient Design is the lack of supply chain visibility. Their current approach involves juggling between multiple software systems to manage orders entering the production pipeline. This fragmentation leads to inefficiencies, delays, and an inability to track products seamlessly across the supply chain. Additionally, the inventory management has been a pain point with a cluttered warehouse that requires specialized knowledge to navigate. This mixing of old orders, finished goods, and raw materials creates confusion, leading to further delays and inefficiencies. So moving on to the solutions now, let's head over to the next slide. So firstly, we're planning to implement a tagging and zoning strategy within the warehouse. By utilizing barcodes and zone indicators on each box, we can bring order to this. We can bring order to the chaos and gain precise tracking capabilities. This will not only streamline the inventory management process, but also make locating items within the warehouse a breeze. Second, we're introducing a centralized application backed by a robust database. This application will serve as a digital guide through the warehouse, enabling anyone to navigate with ease. No longer will a specialized knowledge be required to find orders. Instead, the entire team will have the power to locate items effectively. Lastly, we are taking a holistic approach to the production line by adopting a single integrated software system. By consolidating our production management into one platform, we're only mitigating the supply chain visibility issue, but also enhancing the overall production efficiency. This unified approach will lead to better coordination and streamlined processes throughout the production journey. So I hand over now to Urvish.
A couple of things will be necessary to accomplish the goals of the project, namely a team of experts, centralized data to store all important documents, and data integrated software for accuracy, and lastly, software crucial for barcode scanning. The budget table showcases the items and the amount associated with it. The total approximated budget is $1,200. As suggested in the solution, the use of barcode application and a centralized database would help with the daily step-by-step tracking of the inventory. The data present in the database about the products that are finished and ready to be shipped, products that have been overproduced, etc., can be used for inventory analytics and better management for the production and planning of the inventory on the long run. These are the things that we conclude and the solution that we came up for our project. Thank you.